the chicken.
Yeah. What's
It's nuggets.
Yeah. By the way, you're cousins with
Oh, Henji and Ayumi.
Henji only. So you're cousins with Henji.
Oh, Henji. Yeah.
Oh. I actually taught him yesterday.
Yeah, I always talk with him almost every day.
Oh. Are you classmates or no?
We're not classmates. For different grades. I'm 2 grades away from him.
Oh.
No, I mean he's 2 grades away from
Okay.
me.
Oh, okay. For a while. So, how's your math class?
Good.
What?
Good.
Good. Wow. So, did you apply what we've learned last time, or are you having change?
I think I have to do it again. Yeah. I don't have memory that much.
Yeah, okay.
I'm not good with memory, but I still have sharp memory.
I think that's okay.
I still remember the time that I like had in a car in a motorcycle accident.
Oh,
Like
that,
a dog, me and my dad dodged it. We saw roundy pebbles, we slipped, and I was 1 year old and 9 months that time. So I got a lot of scratches into my face.
oh. I actually had the same accident. I mean, not really the same. When I was, I think, 4 months old, my dad told me that we got into a water axle accident that I don't know if it's visible, but I got a huge scar here. Yeah, I almost died.
Almost died.
Well, at least I didn't die.
Either mine too, I almost died.
Oh well, I think we're on our second lives, I guess.
This is our second lives. We're just an inch away from death.
Yeah,
We're just stepping right into his room and then leave 1 second after.
I just, I would have said that. Never mind. It's too dark. It's too dark. I would have said that. Yeah.
You don't say that too dark.
Anyway, I'll read some questions here, Gian, and I want you to answer what you think you can answer. And if you can't answer, you can just skip it. But if you
Can't
can
answer
answer,
because I forgot.
yeah, it's okay.
And they're trying to make me a math model, but my brain is gonna be a lost memory model.
My gosh, I'm coughing so hard. Yeah. So you don't Henry told me you don't have any sisters,
I have no sisters.
only brothers.
I have brothers.
How old are you?
Two brothers actually.
How old are your brothers?
Uh, other one's 4 and another one's like 2 this year or
Oh,
1.
so you're the eldest.
Yeah, I'm the oldest. I'm 12.
Yeah,
I'm 12 years old.
you're the kuya.
Yes, I'm 12 this year. This year. Only this year.
Only this year. So that means you're in sixth grade, right? If I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, actually. That's the same grade when I was 12 years old. Henji told me that he almost drowned yesterday.
Hmm?
He almost drowned yesterday.
Oh yeah, because of a pool lesson.
Oh, you were there? You saw him?
No, I knew him that he drowns because it's a pool lesson.
Oh,
I
that was
wasn't there. I wasn't there. I'm in a different class, so yeah, I didn't see him.
oh.
I'm pretty bad at swimming. I
Wait.
only go 1 mile an hour.
Oh, he doesn't know how to swim?
And he doesn't know how to swim.
Yeah.
How he swims is just the dolphin swim.
Ah, dolphin swim. How about you? Do you know how to swim?
A bit.
A bit. It's okay. Anyway, I have here 6 questions, Gian. I want you to answer what you think you can answer and just skip what you think if you can't answer.
I'll do it my classmates' way. I quite really don't know almost every of them. I keep forgetting.
Mm. You forget about this?
Yeah, I forgot about this.
It's okay. If you forget about it, I can just teach you again. Oh,
Just teach me all day.
you, you actually got it.
You know what? I'm trying my best to do this. Actually.
I think this is wrong. This is 4.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah.
I thought that was a 9.
That's
It
what I
looks like a
thought.
9.
You're the one who wrote that.
It looks like a 9.
And it looks a 9? Oh, okay. It's 4, it's 4, it's 4. My mistake. My mistake, my dude.
Uh,
Yeah. If you change this, yeah, it's just 12. Okay, check. Okay.
yeah. No, that's not it. Hold on. And there you go. It's 27.
4 times 3. Are you sure 4 times 3 is 27?
Oh my god. How would I do that?
That was 9 times 3 is 27. I mean, at least you got it right. Just
Almost.
just the wrong numbers.
It's
But
just
you
the
got
wrong
it
number.
right. Yeah, that's right. Now, how about this? Can you transform this into smaller form or not anymore?
No. I don't know.
Yeah. Well, let's talk about that later. Just continue to number 2 if you can. This is 10. This is 10. I should make it clear. This is 10.
That's 10.
That's 10.
Ah, it's gonna be a hard day.
So if
And
you're
zoom.
having trouble, if you're having trouble, you can just skip the number.
I have a lot of trouble with these. Like, really a lot.
It's okay. I also have a lot of problems with math when I was young.
Quite. My classmates can beat this effortlessly.
Oh, maybe they're smart. I
Yeah,
think
they're a lot smarter than me.
maybe it's because they eat vegetables.
Yeah, they eat vegetables. They're way more perfect than me.
Yeah, I don't think it's that way.
Yeah, it's not right. This is right.
Yeah, sorry.
What is this number here?
That's 7.
That's
That's 7. You thought it's 1, right?
like this.
Yeah, that's 7.
Yeah, it's a one.
We're actually right. We're actually doing good.
That's so good. I'm quite struggling.
Well,
Not like this. I learned this, but I forgot it now. That must be wrong.
and that's actually right. That's right. That's
Really?
actually yeah.
Am I gonna cancel this? Um,
This is 7, right? This is 7.
yeah, that's 7. Japanese write it that way.
Oh, 7?
Yeah, you write it this way,
Uh-huh.
but the Japanese write it this way. Make sure it's.
Oh. Oh, that's cool. Do you know Japanese? Do you know how to talk Japanese?
Of course, I know how to tell Japanese a bit.
A
I'm
bit.
quite India, of course.
Oh, I really want to learn Japanese also.
Mm. It's not good for. Are you? Wait, you're in Japan?
No, I'm not in Japan. I'm in the Philippines.
You're in the Philippines? Why do I see kanjis behind your back?
What?
Why do
Oh,
I see
those are
kanjis?
Japanese. Yeah.
Oh, you're Japanese. And so the cart, right? Wrote that.
Yeah, I think one of our bosses wrote that, I guess. Kanji letters.
You work in the Nijino Kakehashi? Because Tito Kuya Ash always teaches kids in the Zoom in there. I mean, do they really have iPads in Nijino Kakehashi? Ever since I got there, I haven't been playing any iPads.
Oh.
They're lucky to have it.
Yeah, I think when you're in the Philippines, you're heavily supported by different countries. Maybe that's why.
Definitely. I used to bring iPads when I actually used to bring phones in kindergarten and some kids too. And
Wow.
one time I forgot my iPad and the teacher said, "Wow, you're good, Gian. No cell phones today." Yeah,
What?
I want to do like iPad, but
Mhm.
the teacher ended up complimenting me.
Oh. Wait, there students are not allowed to bring their iPads and phones.
I mean, it's quite allowed since they're only kindergartens, but yeah, I forgot to bring mine. The teacher
Oh,
complimented
how
for
about in grade
being,
school? How about in
huh?
grade school? In right now, in the sixth grade, are you allowed to bring laptops and cell phones or not?
No, we're not allowed to have cell phones over here. This is the school iPad I'm using.
Oh, that's so sad.
Well, I don't know if we can bring any phones to college.
Yeah, we're allowed. We're even allowed to use laptops.
Even senior, even senior,
Yeah,
we can bring phones in senior to increase of our salary.
I think you can. I think they're not really that strict.
I struggle this one.
Yeah, it's okay.
But
I
that's
decided I made it that way, so you will actually struggle. So we will discuss that in a while because that's
actually,
our topic today.
I bet almost everything is wrong.
No, no, no. It's actually right. Wait, let's start
Most
with
of them, at least, because I know these are wrong. I've experienced this a lot of wrong in my entire Japanese life.
oh no, that's so sad. How about this number one? 3
Go
times
on.
4, 12. Yeah, this is right. This is correct. But do you know what lowest term is? Lowest term.
Like LCM.
Yeah, LCM or yeah, something like that. Let's just say it's how let's just say it's the smallest number or the smallest form the fraction could have. So let's just say for 12 over 30, what do you think is its smallest form? Do you have any idea or nah, not quite.
Smallest form. I think 12. No. Um.
That's okay.
Never mind.
Okay, so lowest form. Let's just say it's so let's find numbers that can be that we can divide by 12 and 30. Can you think of a number that we can
Mm,
divide
around 2.
12 with 2? Okay, let's try. Let's try 2. Oh,
Yeah,
actually,
times 2.
yeah, 2. Let's try 2. So 12 divided 2 is 6. 30 divided 2 is
Yeah,
15.
yeah,
Oh, is this right? Yeah, it is.
yeah. I think so.
Yeah. Is this the lowest term?
Let me see.
Not bad.
I don't think that's right.
Yeah. I mean, how about okay.
Close enough.
It's very close. It could yeah,
Try 3. I don't
yeah, we
think
can do
it's possible.
yeah, we can. How about let's start with 6. How about 5? Lowest term.
I think 5 is kind of good, but the 6 will disappear.
Yeah, I think we cannot divide 12 by 5, right? Yeah, we cannot divide
Yeah.
12. But we can divide 12 by 6, and we can also divide 30 by 6, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's try that. So 12 divided 6 is, oh, this is divide. It's 2, right? Yeah, it's 2. 30 divided 6 is 5. Oh. Now, can we think of any number that we can divide to both 5 and 2? There's no number, right? I
There's
mean, there's 1, but 1. Yeah, we can have 1, but 2 divided 1 is still 1. 2 divided 1 is still 2, so
so 2 divided by 5 is not possible.
yeah, really can.
I think we need a +1 for +0 for this.
Yeah. But I think this is okay.
Yeah.
It's
You only
low.
do +2.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good enough.
Yeah, this is good now. So you're actually correct with number 1. You just need more, what you call this? More process. Let's check number 2. It's 4, 10, 5. This is correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
All right.
How about number 3?
Number 3 is I
So
think it's kind of wrong.
7 times 12, 84. Yeah, this is also correct, but I think it's the same with number 1. I think we can transform this into smaller fraction. How about a number that we can divide by 84 and 8? Hmm, how about 4? Can we
I
use
think, yeah, I think sure. I'm gonna
can we
think
use
of
4?
a number while you explain.
Okay. I think 4. Let's try 4.
Yeah, let's go for it.
4 and 4.
Isn't
Okay.
it? What else?
I'm pretty
Wait,
sure 8 divided 4 is 2. Okay. How about 84 divided 4? How much is
isn't
that?
this 42?
Where?
Is this plus 42? Oops.
40 over 5. Yeah, that's all right. Oh, yeah. Actually, we can also. Yeah, actually, nice pointing it out. I think we can also transform this into lowest form, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, actually. Oh, very perceptive. I think we can use 5, right?
you can use 5
Yeah, we can use 5.
or 2.
Yeah, I think we can use 5. We'll always choose the bigger number that we can divide to both. So 40 divided 5 is 8, and 5 divided 5 is 1. So 8 over 1 is just positive 8. I like that. So this is our final answer. Yeah.
So yeah, okay.
Yeah. You're actually good. You're actually very smart and very perceptive.
I didn't understand most of it.
But yeah, I didn't realize that until you pointed it out. That's nice. How about this? 84 divided by 4. How much is that?
84 divided by 4. I think it's around 20.
21, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah, 21.
21, yeah. That's right.
21. And we got it to 21.
And this is the right answer. How about the other one here? 5 times 3 is 15. 4 times 2 is 8. Can we, can we, a number that we can divide by 15 and 8?
3.
3?
Oh wait, no, I don't think Spark will prefer the
15
E.
divided by 35, 8. No, we can't. I think there's
Uh,
no number, right? How about
yeah, no numbers.
it's 2?
Odd and even? No.
Yeah. Yeah, so this is the correct answer already.
Yeah, to hide.
Number 5. Hmm. Mhm.
That's
Uh-huh. I think in number
yeah,
5, you almost
number
got it correct, but here's the problem. You see it, right? What you call this again? It's called a mixed number, right? Mixed
mix.
form or
Yeah,
mixed.
I forgot that there's a mix over there.
Yeah. I actually also forgot. That's why I said earlier that it's correct. I forgot about it. So if we see here mixed form, we should actually change it into an improper fraction, right? You know what improper fraction is?
Mm, definitely.
Yeah, okay. So let
Or
me explain.
probably.
So a mixed fraction, let's just say if 1 and 1/2. So this technically means that there is 1 and 1/2. So let's just say how many 1/2s are there in one whole?
One.
There there are two 1/2s, right?
Mm-hmm. That's
Like
just a big line.
yeah, there's a big line. So there are two 1/2s in one. So yeah, there are two 1/2s in one. Let me another example. Let's just say if we put it here 3 1/2, it means there are 3 and then there's 1/2. So if we since we are trying to make this into all fractions, think of it as the 3, let's just say we will have all this, half of this, and this.
Mm-hmm.
This is already half. So we have how many 1/2s? Like 1,
1, 2,
2, 3, 4,
3, 4,
5,
5,
6,
6.
7.
There's
Right.
7 halves.
So this is technically we have 7 1/2s. It's something like that. So in this case, a 1 and 1/2. So let's just say we have 1. We have 1 1/2s, 1, and then another 1/2. So if we just count it, just 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 1/2s, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, technically. So 1 and 1/2 is technically just 3 halves. It's called 3 halves. I mean, yeah, 3 halves.
That's close enough.
Yeah. So this is 3 halves. So we will write it here. Just copy it right here. 3 halves and times 3/4. Now, can you do this on your own? 3 halves and 3.
Maybe.
Okay, try it.
I'll try it. Let's see here. This is a 4 or 9.
9. That's a 4. That's a 4. That's a 4.
Right. Hmm.
Okay.
Like that?
Are you sure 3 times 3 is 12? 3 times 3. The 2 times 4 is 8. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, very good. Yeah. How
Those
about
close.
number 6? No, this is right. How about number 6?
Number 6.
Yeah. I mean, this
And there's
here,
2 improper.
yeah, this here is just the same with the other one here, right? So this
Yeah,
is what we have. So how about the other one, 2
it's
1/3?
just reversed.
Yeah, so 2 1/3 is technically just like this, GN. So we have 2 pieces of circle and then a 1/3. How do I draw a 1/3?
1/3.
Yeah, how,
1/3.
yeah, how do I draw a 1/3?
I don't know.
You
Wait,
should
hold on.
probably,
I think it's something like. Wait, hold on.
yeah,
I
something
think
like
it's
that.
something like this or something.
Or we could do it like this, yeah. Assuming there are another here, another.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. So like that. So 2 and 1/3. So if we will make it that way, so we will divide the other parts into thirds or 3. So now we will count how many 1/3s we
We
have.
have 7.
7, right? Oh, it's also 7.
7.
Yeah, we have 7.
Just
So
in faces.
yeah, we have 7 faces. So if you write it, it's
Mm-hmm.
3, 7, and 7/3 times how many is this again? It's 3 halves.
7. Oh, 3.5.
The 3 halves. Now, can you do that?
I do that. Oh, school.
Nice.
Like that?
Yeah, that's right. And now, can we divide this or can we transform this into its lowest form?
No.
Wait, can we? Yes, we can. Wait, number that we can divide by 21 and 6. Hmm, 2 or 3? I think we can use 3, right?
Yeah, it's 3.
Yeah, it's 3 because you know
Yeah,
what? There's
yeah,
3 here.
yeah,
There's
that's
3
3.
here.
This is
Yeah, I
supposed to
can.
be divided by 3, and this is supposed to be divided by 3.
Yeah, that's right. Now we have
Mm,
7.
mm, mm,
Or,
mm, 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 mm,
yeah,
mm.
that's right. Do
Yeah,
you
that
know?
looks right.
Wait, we need to something the Japanese 7, right? Something like that. Is that
This is
right?
the Japan. Wait, hold on. Let me. Here, this is the Japanese 7. Yeah, that's the Japanese 7.
Okay.
But it
Wait,
doesn't have that little top thingy. But you can write only a bit.
like something
It's
like
some.
that.
Yeah, like that. It's something like or
Oh,
a bit like this, or this.
what's there? Oh,
It looks like the katakana ku.
can you write 1 to 9 here in Japanese, like Japanese 1 to 9?
1 to 9.
Yeah, 1 to 9. I really like that. Like start here.
Like the
Start here.
kanji.
Yeah, the kanji or
I'm gonna write the
Japanese 7.
kanji. This
Okay,
is
okay.
the number 9,
Yeah, that's
and
nice.
this is here 1. This is 1. Yeah, that's 1 right there.
What?
Yeah,
That's what?
that's 1. That dash is 1. These 2 dashes is 2,
2?
and
The
these
3
3 dashes
dashes.
is 3.
Oh, how about number 4?
Number 4 is a whole different one. It's like this.
What? Oh, okay.
That's 4, like this. Oh, let me write it carefully like that.
That's 5.
I only know a bit of equations. I don't know equation words.
Yeah.
I think I only know 3.
Yeah. So does that mean you use these kanji letters on your mathematics or not? Not
Yeah,
so.
we do not use these.
Oh, so you just use like English numbers.
Yeah, we're only using real
Okay.
numbers.
Because
I
I
know.
was think yeah, because
Yeah,
I was thinking if you're using that, it's gonna get confusing.
yeah. This is the cos thing. This is the cos.
The cosine.
Is this cos? Yeah, I think this is cos. I'm quite into equations.
Oh, wait, did you live in Japan from the beginning or did you just transfer there?
I transferred here.
Oh, so how old were you when you transferred there?
I think I was around 6 years old or 5 years old.
Wait, so does that mean you know
Okay. I
Filipino words?
huh?
Do
And
you-
Filipino words.
Yeah. What language? Where were you before in the Philippines?
Villaluna.
Laguna?
Villaluna.
Villa. Where's that? Oh no.
In Kawayan City, you know it?
Cagayan City?
Kawayan City.
No, I don't know that. I might be a fake Filipino. I don't know those places.
Barangay. Like,
Yeah, I know what a barangay is.
but it's in Kawayan City. And
Oh,
I'm in Villaluna City.
okay.
Is this the I sign thing?
Mm-hmm.
Is this I sign?
Okay.
Here,
Okay.
over here? Is
Ah,
that an I
okay.
sign?
I see.
Mm.
Oh,
Oh, that's I sign?
what's eyesight?
This?
Oh, oh,
If that's I sign, then this should be E I. What was this thing called again? Pi?
pie. Yes, it's a pie.
EI pi.
Oh, it's very nice, right? It's very, very nice.
It's nice
Anyway,
to know this. I wrote these type of multiplications in my mind. No,
wait,
not in my mind, but in the video.
yeah. By the way, how did you learn Japanese? Did you like,
I just learned it straight from Manaful.
oh, the Nijino class? Oh, so
That's my origin.
you took,
That used to
yeah,
be my school
and then
3 years ago.
3 years ago? Oh,
Yeah.
wait, when you speak to your teacher or sensei or even your classmates, do you like speak Japanese or you speak English?
I speak Japan in my to my sensei Indonesian Kakeshi, and the rest of the school, like the students, almost all of them are Filipino.
Oh, okay. That's never knew that.
Yeah, almost all of them are.
Filipinos.
Yes, almost every one of them is. Almost every one of them is Filipino.
Yeah. Anyway, Jan, I think how about I'll give you a more difficult problem, something like this. It's to make fun. But I'll teach you how. I'll teach you how. I'll let you answer it first. And if you can't answer it, I'll teach you a tip or a technique how to solve it. Something like this.
I want to go home so bad.
You might want this. I actually not really found it, but it's what I usually do when I was still in school.
For some
Something.
reason, I want to go home so bad.
Go home in your house? Why?
Like,
Do you want?
I miss the PC.
Oh my gosh. How about this? Oh,
Hmm?
okay.
Oh,
Something like that.
like that. This one?
Yeah.
This one or this one?
Both of this.
Both?
Multiply. Yeah, well. Okay. It's very troubling, right? Now I'll teach you how to solve
Quite.
this.
Wait,
So,
is it this? Is it this? Multiplied by this?
yeah.
That's hard. Oh my god.
So it's okay, it's okay. I'll teach you how first. How to transform this into like the fractions with no whole numbers. So I told you earlier about that the circles, right?
Mm-hmm.
And if we actually, for example, questions like this, 10, creating 10 circles is such a bother. So I have a shortcut. So in order for us to answer like this, we will just 10 here times 3. And then after we multiply 10 times 3, we add 2. So the 10 times 3 is 30.
Mm-hmm.
So 10 times 3 is 30. And then plus 2 is 32. Right? And then we just copy 3. That's it. That's it. That's it. So easy, right?
Like that's all?
Yeah, that's all. We don't have to create those circles anymore.
But so that you're saying that this 7 over here is going to be like a
7
49, and then we
plus
just
4.
plus, yeah, we
49
just
plus.
plus 4 it, and
Yes.
it, it should it should be 53.
Yeah, 53.
53, and you put the 7 here.
Yes, that's it.
That's
So easy,
it.
right? Yeah, that's so easy, right?
That's easy. You just put down the 7 over here.
Yeah. So what if we just the examples above, it's technically just the same. Like, can you see number 6 here? So if we
Okay.
just it's 7 over 3, right? Let's check if we can use the same formula. That's 2 times 3, it's 6, plus 1, it's 7, and then 3. That's it. So it's easy.
Yeah, that's easy.
It's easy. Now, can you do this? 32 times 53. That's a lot.
Can you see? Where?
This below. 32 times 3.
32 times 53.
Yeah, that's a lot. Wait, let me use my calculator because even I can do that.
You need, you need to, I, well, you don't know how to calculate it, right? I thought your calculation was like this.
Yeah, that's
Sometimes
right.
it
Do you
takes
know how
me,
to do that?
sometimes this actually takes me like 3 minutes to get the right answer.
Yeah, actually, that's
But
why I
doing
use
this only took
calculator.
seconds. Look at here.
That's
9,
why I use
6,
calculator.
0,
Okay,
10,
that's
and
right. Three,
9. Oh my god, 10.
and
Almost got
three
15.
times. Okay, let's check if it's the same with the calculator.
So 6, it has plus 0
Uh-huh.
9, 9.
Uh-huh.
1 time 1 plus 5, 6, and 1
That's it.
plus 0. 1 plus air, 1.
Yes, that's right. It's actually the same with
It's
the calculator.
1696.
1696. So let me write that here. 1696. Oh, what's happened to my name? 96. Now, what's 3 times 7? It's 21, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. But if I ask you if to change that into lowest form, can you even answer this?
And
I'm not even sure if I can answer.
I'm not sure even if you can answer this.
I'm not even sure. Let's just try on error. How about 2? No, we can't use 2 here.
Where are you? Where are you?
How about 3?
3.
Yeah. In 1696 divide 21. Can we use 3 here? Let's try.
Let's try 3.
21 divide 3 is
Yeah, down here is 7, and over here just here. Just takes me around 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Why?
1,000.
Do you know how to do this? The one I'm writing.
Is it?
This
Yeah.
one. Yeah.
Yes,
How about
yeah, I can definitely do that.
okay, we'll apply this. So 16 divided 3, how much is that? 5. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, we gotta do a lot.
And
So there's a 9 and 6. That's all we have left.
so we will divide 19, yeah? 19 first. That's like
Yeah, 19 first.
then we have
That will be
18.
6. And we
Have
18.
1.
Now we bring down the 6. 60?
Yeah,
Yeah,
6,
no, definitely not.
5.
500.
Yeah, that's not. Same thing. So not. So I don't know. We'll just stick with this. We'll just stick with it.
We'll just stick with it.
Yeah, I think we can use
Stick with the
2.
565.
Yeah. But how about 7? We can divide 21 with 7, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because the number, yeah, let's try. Let's try again. We will not be stopping till we will not conquer the world. How about 7? 7, it's like 2. This is 14. And then another 2. That's 9. Just 9 here. Then like we have 4. That's like 28. 16. Not yet. Yeah, we really can.
Not really.
Yeah, this is its lowest form. Like it cannot go lower than this.
You're gonna go lower than that.
It it's the rock bottom already.
There's no way we're gonna get 16 with odd numbers.
Yeah, there's all. Yeah, so I think this is the final answer. So you know how to transform this, right, into the improper fractions. It's so easy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's just say if you have an exam tomorrow, can you answer questions like this?
I don't have we
Yeah, I
don't
think you
quite
can.
have questions like this, but we have questions like this. Let's
Like,
see here. This is our topic right now. So let's here B
okay.
and A and C. And this is what I do not know how to answer.
Why? What does your teacher want you to do with that?
I have no idea.
Ah,
I don't know what I have to like like multiply.
do
I
you
don't know
know this is just the same with this?
where.
This one.
What?
Do you remember this? Multiply this and this,
Yeah.
add this. Yeah. So
Oh, so this is gonna be
yeah, so
this
it's
is gonna
basically
A
just
over here, and this is gonna be B times C.
no, the opposite, the opposite. It's more
Yeah,
like this.
like
C here, and it's just C times B plus A.
how do you get the? Yeah, math is hard.
What? No, it's not. You just need practice.
Practicing like equations.
Yeah, it's what I usually do when I was young. I open my book and then I just try answering it and then just ask my teacher
You
if
just open your book and you literally see I like Albert Einstein's formulas.
no, that's not it. I don't even know what Albert Einstein's formula is. I mean, it's very hard. But yeah, it's something like that. So let's just say this here is just the same with this. Yeah. So I actually taught you your topic already.
Yeah,
So
that's
let's
my
just
topic.
yeah, let's just say it's 12 and 3/4. Oh, 12 and 3/4. So your teacher, or this is 4 here. So your teacher might ask like what to do. So it's basically 12 times 4. So I'll just write it here. 12 times 4. And then plus 3. And then just copy 4. That's it.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. I thought you told you it's easy.
That's easy. Oh my god.
All
I'll,
right.
I'll have a Kamilos in my life.
Yeah, very easy. How about oh, it's almost time. So like
Yeah, it's almost time.
yeah, I'll just probably
It's
make
gonna be my club.
yeah, I'll probably just create
It's gonna be my club.
one more problem.
Okay.
Yeah. And I want you to solve it as fast as you can, but
Alright, I'm gonna go. Wait, what's this again? Oh, this time?
not yet, not yet, and not yet man. How about um
Is it like the other easy thing?
yeah, but there's a lot.
Oh my god. No way I'm gonna answer this fast.
Yes, you can. You start one by one. You start with this first, start with this, you start with this, and then you combine everything.
Okay.
Okay.
Three. Oh, hold on. Three, two. Wait, hold on. How do you do it again?
But technically just 6 times 2 plus 1 over 2. Something like that.
Okay, ready. Three, two, one, go. Wait. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, that's oh very smart.
Mm, mm,
Yes.
there's all that and two. Wait, no. I'm wrong. 15.
Mhm.
6, 4. How do you combine them?
Yeah. I think you're wrong here. I think this is supposed to be 2. This is 2.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, it's already
I was
that's it.
wrong.
Yeah. I think that's correct also. Then you have just to combine it.
Ooh. How do you combine them? Okay, so
Yeah, that's a lot. 13 times 14 times 6.
I'm gonna do 13 times 14 first.
Yes.
13.
Actually, that's the best way.
Yeah, it's the best thing to do. 1 like this. 5, 3, 1, 2.
Oh no, it's almost time.
Oh no. Oh my god, this is
Okay,
uh,
almost.
almost time?
Let's
Hold on.
start.
Mm,
6.
it's
8.
time now?
Not yet, not yet.
120.
Yeah, that's right.
132. And
Yeah.
oh my god, I have to do. Oh no, 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 no. This is bad. This is bad. This is bad. 16.
16. Yeah, that's right. Wait, can you?
What was my record?
Yeah, you have 2 more minutes left. That's nice. Oh, so this is right, actually. Very nice. I think you're ready for the exams. I think you're ready for the exam. So, since we started earlier around 11, what was it? I think 12:05. I think we should also end earlier for you. So, did you understand the lesson today, Gian?
Mm-hmm.
Is it easy for you? Is it easy now?
Just average.
Just average. Okay. Hopefully you get the perfect score in your exams. I believe you can do that. You're very smart. So we discussed about this, and we already know how to do this, right? This B, A over C.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So I guess that's it for today. So thank you, Gian.
Right. Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you so much.
I actually have 10 more minutes over here.
What?
Wait, hold on. Let me check. Oh yeah. Wait, no, you're wrong.
No.
I actually have 4 minutes left.
Yeah. But that's okay. Unless you want to talk about something. Do you want to talk about something?
Mm.
Do you want to ask about something? Like,
How Tesla electrocuted himself 250,000 volts.
that's very random. Anyway, that's it, Jan. Thank you so much for today. Bye.
Bye.
See you next week.
Bye. I'm gonna go.
Bye bye.
I'm gonna go exit it now.
Bye bye.
Bye.